So I want to cry because the last batch that I just finished, the soap got really, really, really thick. Like it was Play-Doh in my hands, and I was just trying to shape it into the spaces I need to get it into the mold and hope for the best. So I am super bummed right now. I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to get when I cut it, and I'm pretty sure I displaced some of the pieces of the reindeer that I was making. So yeah. Anyways, that one's done. Next batch, because I have to make multiple batches. So I have I'm doing polar bear, daddy, mommy, and then cubs, and a tree. And I kind of wanted to do a gradient with like yellow to blue to dark blue for that aurora type sky look. We'll see. I not holding my breath at the moment, but anyways, I poured this and I stick blended it a lot because again, it's supposed to be a fragrance that doesn't set up. So I'm gonna let it sit for a bit. Hopefully it will set up, then I'll come back and do the rest. And I hope that it works. And I am just so discouraged right now. So I really hope this batch works considering the last one. Okay, I have no idea how this is gonna work, but gonna try it and see what happens. I'm doing, this is a really light yellow to teal and then to black. We'll see what happens. I'm going to have to pour this without putting the embeds in, and then once I get enough in the base, then I will push the embeds in. So I'm just going to speed this up because it's going to take a bit, but here's to hoping it works. Fingers crossed. My little cubs, and the side looks promising. So my biggest worry about this is that the cubs are not sideways doing acrobats floating. It was hard to get them in, not being able to see and going by feel and trying to make sure they didn't twist, since I had already poured. Like I had to pour before I could put the embeds in. So we'll see. Again, this was basically, I was trying to kind of create a night sky that reminds you of the aurora borealis. So, oh, I'll take that if all the bars are like that. Let's try this end. Okay, he's misbehaving a little bit. He's being playful. But heck, I shall, oh, I am really happy with that. So this is Papa Bear, the two babies. The other loaf has a Mama Bear and babies. Oh, I really hope the other loaf comes out as well. Like, that's cool. I'm really pleased. I like it. Let me know what you think. I'll let me clear this off and I'll cut the other batch and we'll see what that one looks like. But that's cool. Okay. Let's see how this batch went. Longer batches, loaves, can be trickier. So, okay. Oh, that's not bad. Baby's floating just a tad on that end. Different sky, which it's an ombre. When you're pouring an ombre, nothing ever comes out the same from one batch to the next. I could have pushed a Momma over so the babies weren't quite so tight. But the babies are the right direction. They're not floating. They're not sideways. I'm gonna take it. Especially after I just cut a batch that was a fail. Don't know if the video has been posted yet, but it was the reindeer soap. Here, just because I don't know if the video is posted, because I have no idea which order I ever do my videos in, let me grab a bar for you. This is one of the better ones. Everything got really thick, major holes. His antlers here, or at least they're only flattened. Some of them they're floating to the side. His nose is where it should be. The presents are mildly okay. So yeah, this is a good bar of that batch. So I will take these. I love the colors. I love how, like, I knew the ombre would get pushed in, messed up, obviously, because I poured it and then I was putting the embeds in. So I knew it would shift it. This guy's floating a little. He's excited. He's prancing. But that's okay. Like I said, I knew that would happen, and I actually was hoping the effect would be cool. So, okay, I feel better. I had one batch that was a failure, but this one turned out really cool, and I like it. Let me know what you think.